Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Spotify playlists to a new account using Spotify Connect easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring your Spotify playlists to a new account, open the Spotify app on your device. Log into your current Spotify account. Make sure your new account is also set up and ready to go. In the Spotify app, locate the playlist you want to transfer. Click on the three dots beside the playlist name to open the options menu. Select Share from the drop-down menu. Tap Copy Playlist Link to copy the URL of the playlist. Now, log out of your current account. Log into your new Spotify account. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the app. Paste the playlist link that you copied earlier into the search bar. Hit Enter to view the playlist. You will now see the playlist in the search results. Open the playlist by clicking on it. To add it to your library, click the Follow button. Repeat this process for any additional playlists you wish to transfer. Once finished, check your library to ensure all playlists have been successfully added. Now you can enjoy your favorite music in your new Spotify account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.